Hey everyone, welcome back. Today I'm showing you how to make your own AI-generated music using Suno, but maybe you aren't sure how to start. Maybe you don't have a music background, or you're not sure what words to use. That's totally okay. In this video, I'll show you 7 different ways you can prompt Suno to create amazing songs, even if you've never made music before. With these ways, you can start simple and mix and match these styles once you're more confident. Let's get into it. 1. Describe instruments, vocals, and BPM. This is the most direct method. Just tell Suno what you want to hear. Instruments, vocals, the mood, and the speed. For example, lo-fi chill hop, mellow Rhodes piano, dusty drums, soft female vocals, 85 BPM, relaxing sunset vibe. Let's put that in and hear what it gives us. Later on, you can mix parts of this with other styles too. Next, you can describe a feeling or emotion. This method is about what the song feels like, not what it's made of. Just describe the emotion or moment. For example, you can prompt the sound of letting go after holding on too long. Let's put that in and listen to what it sounds like. Another interesting way is you can describe a scene like it's a movie. Close your eyes and image a scene, then describe it. Suno will try to score it like a soundtrack. For example, a warrior walking away from a burning village at dawn. Let's hear how it sounds. Another interesting way is you can use culture or style elements as your guide. You can guide Suno by referencing a cultural sound, genre fusion, or musical region. For example, Afro house with tribal drums and airy female chants, 120 BPM, spiritual desert vibe. Let's drop that in and check it out. If you are more of a creative or visual person, you can use visual metaphors or poetic phrases. Don't worry about being literal. Just describe the vibe as if it were a painting or dream. For example, like broken glass floating in zero gravity, glowing in violet light. We're going abstract. Let's see what happens.
Pieces spin in a fractured sky. Edges sharp, but they drift, they fly.
Oh yay, by the way, you can also prompt Suno just with lyrics. Sometimes you can skip the music details and just give Suno lyrics. It'll decide the style for you. You don't need to give all the lyrics either. Let's try these words. We ran through fire and falling skies, chasing echoes, chasing time. Hearts like thunder in the night. We were stars before the light. Let's put that in the lyrics box here, with no genre, no BPM, just the words.
We ran through fire and fallen skies. Feet like whispers, hearts in disguise. Chasing.
And here's one more way. If you have an image or a vibe in your head but don't know how to describe it, let ChatGPT or any other LLM help. Just upload your image or describe it briefly and ask, can you write a Suno prompt that matches the feeling and energy of this picture? Here's an image of a cyberpunk city in the rain with a woman standing alone under a street lamp. Let's see what ChatGPT gives us. Oh, this is beautiful. Dark cyberpunk electronica, rain-drenched synth textures, lonely female vocal, 110 BPM, neon melancholy. Let's put that in and hear the result.
Street lights flicker like broken stars. Shadows stretch long like forgotten scars.
So whether you describe the instruments, the emotion, a story, or just lyrics, there's no wrong way to start. You're not just making music, you're bringing a vibe to life. If you're new, try one of these methods. If you're already experimenting, mix them together. Drop your best prompt idea in the comments, and I'll try to turn one into a full song in the next video. Like, sub, and keep creating.